Okay, well, this is our Kubo, and we are very happy with it. But it seems like it's time to let go of this, and we're looking at getting a bigger one for us. That's my wife, the author of Kubo, and she's done a great job. And someone's gonna come and take photos, and I'd like to do a photo shoot myself before whoever comes. Oh, this is beautiful, very beautiful. Look at the curtains, custom made curtains right here, and that wallpaper right there, beautiful. And then the custom light covers. My wife painted this whole thing to make it nice and bright, and then that's the bunk area, 2 bunks. That's the top bunk, and then that's the lower bunk. Wife made a nice ladder with real leather right here. It's real leather, and that door, beautifully made. This is the refrigerator. We keep it open when not in real use. See, the light. Oh, okay. That's the microwave, and what they call the backsplash, beautifully done. By the way, we're going to give this Nespresso coffee maker that fits perfect on this camper, and then this little toaster right here. Color matches the cabinets, doors. And let me see. Oh yes, so my wife made beautiful seat covers. Oh, let me see. Let me put it like this. There we go. For the dinette, custom made. This is custom leather right here, the sides. That's everybody in back together. So that's it. This is Kubo for us, and really enjoyed. Still do. But we're looking at maybe getting a bigger one. Okay, well, nice. Let's see what's going on here. There you go. Nice coffee mugs, custom made light cover, and of course, those are our Bibles right there. Okay. Thank the Lord for the blessings. Okay. Hi, Mom.
If you're filming, you don't want to take a